Caitlin Clark is no stranger to headlines. Typically, they're about her dazzling performances on the court or her tireless dedication to fans, often staying for hours to sign autographs. But on Monday, her name was in the news for a far more troubling reason, one that had nothing to do with her actions. Michael Lewis, a 55-year-old man from Denton, Texas, was sentenced to 2.5 years in prison for stalking and harassing Clark. He had been held in custody in Marion County for the past year. Court documents revealed that Lewis traveled to Indianapolis to target Clark, sending her hundreds of sexually explicit and threatening messages via X, formerly Twitter, between December 12, 2024, and January 11, 2025. He was arrested the day after the final message was sent. On Monday, a judge handed down Lewis' prison sentence, which will be reduced to roughly 18 months after accounting for time already served. The case details were made public, including disturbing excerpts of Lewis' messages to Clark. In one message, he claimed, "Been driving around your house 3x a day, but don't call the law just yet. The public is allowed to drive by Gainbridge, aka Caitlin's fieldhouse." Another message read, "I'm getting tickets. I'm sitting behind the bench." In yet another, Lewis declared, "They said I was sending threatening texts, but the only thought on my mind was, Caitlin." Investigators from the FBI were able to trace the messages to IP addresses located in Indianapolis, confirming Lewis' presence in the city. When questioned, he told authorities he believed he was in an imaginary relationship with Clark. While the case has sparked public concern, Clark has remained silent on the matter. Currently sidelined with a groin injury, she has missed 13 games this season with the Indiana Fever. Rather than addressing the court case publicly, she has focused her energy on more positive efforts, most recently, traveling the country to distribute backpacks filled with school supplies to children in need. Though this legal resolution brings some closure, the situation serves as a sobering reminder of the risks public figures face, and the importance of continued efforts to ensure their safety.